110-4.
Damn, what up, y'all? This y'all, huh? This plate don't match, man. Hold on. Where you going? Hold on. Got one on foot. Going into Keney Park. Yo, stop running. I'm gonna fucking tase you. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that.
Put that right there.
Did you shoot at me?
I thought you said gun, bro.
Gun?
Yeah.
Bro, you shot at me, right?
No, he didn't shoot a gun at you.
This
Yes,
is right here. This.
Taser.
He shot a gun at me.
No, I didn't.
Taser.
I heard a gun.
That wasn't me, bro.
He shot a gun.
How?
I heard a gun.
That's why you use this. It's coming out.
The difference between a gun and a taser.